In this video, we will show you how to add and manage plugins on a WordPress website. Plugins extend your WordPress site's functionalities by adding more features. There's a popular saying that whatever you want in WordPress, there's a plugin for it. Installing and managing plugins is really easy. All you need to do is log into your WordPress admin dashboard and visit the plugins section. There you can add and manage your plugins. Before we move on, we would like to thank WordPress.com for supporting this video. WordPress.com websites are optimized for speed with global servers that deliver consistent performance worldwide. On WordPress.com, you get access to over 50,000 plugins from the WordPress repository and even upload your own custom plugins. If you need any help, WordPress.com offers 24/7 expert support. Check the WordPress.com pricing link in the video description. Alright, back to the tutorial. So right after you log into your WordPress admin dashboard, this is the screen that you're going to see. On the left hand side, you'll find some options such as dashboard, posts, media, pages, etc. From all these options, you can see there's a separate section for plugins. If we hover our mouse over plugins, we can see two more options such as installed plugins and add plugin. If we go to the installed plugins section, we can see all the plugins which are currently installed in our WordPress website. As you can see, we have no plugins currently available. To add a plugin, we can simply click over here or on this button to visit the WordPress plugin repository. So let's click on Add Plugin. And as soon as you click on Add Plugin, it's going to bring you to the plugin repository. Here you can already see some plugins are included, such as Akismet Anti-Spam, Jetpack, Health Check and Troubleshooting, Gutenberg, and a few more. You can search for a plugin from this search bar. You can also view popular plugins by clicking on this tab, view the recommended plugins from this tab, and also view favorites. First up, we are going to install the Akismet Anti-Spam Spam Protection plugin. Before we get started, we can view a few details of the plugin. First of all, the title of the plugin. It's written over here. The logo is displayed here, and you can also see some description. By reading the description, we can understand what this plugin is all about. For example, the Akismet Anti-Spam Spam Protection is said to be the best anti-spam protection to block spam comments and spam in a contact form, the most trusted anti-spam solution for WordPress and WooCommerce. Down here we can see the author of the plugin. It's by Automatic. Down over here we can also see the ratings of the plugin. We can also see the number of active installations. Currently, Akismet Anti-Spam plugin has over 6 million active installations. We can also see when this plugin was last updated. It's 3 months ago. We can also see if this plugin is compatible with our current version of WordPress. To view more details, we can click on this More Details button. Here we can read about Akismet. We can also take a look at the installation, changelog, and also reviews from other users. When you're ready to install a plugin, you can simply click on the Install Now button. And as soon as you click on it, it's going to start installing the plugin. It might take a while, but after it's installed, you can also activate the plugin. Now note that the plugin is although installed, it's not activated. If we go to the installed plugin section, we can see that the plugin has been installed but it's not active. We can activate the plugin by clicking on Activate over here, or we can select it, click on this drop down, and click on Activate, and then click on Apply. Usually when you have a single plugin, you can click on Activate over here to activate the plugin, but if you're activating multiple plugins, it's better to select those from here and then use this drop down to quickly take your action. From here you can take actions such as activate, deactivate, update, delete, enable auto updates, or disable auto updates for those plugins that are selected. Since we have only one plugin over here, let's click on this activate to activate the plugin. Alright, the plugin has been activated, and as soon as it's activated, it's bringing us to this section. Now after installation, you'll find Akismet over here in the settings section of your WordPress admin dashboard. From here, we can click on Get Started and get a paid plan from Akismet. It has free and paid plans, but we are not going to actually go for any plans right now. Instead, we are going to install another plugin. So let's hover a mouse over the plugins option once again and click on Add Plugin. And now we are going to install the Jetpack. As you can see, Jetpack is over here. It has over 3 million active installations. It's also compatible with our current version of WordPress, and it was last updated 2 weeks ago. Now, what is Jetpack all about? If we read the title over here, we can understand. Jetpack, WP security, backup, speed, and growth. So we can understand that this is a plugin that takes care of multiple tasks such as security, backup, performance, and growth. We can understand more by reading the description. Here it says, improve your WP security with powerful one-click tools like backup, WAF, and malware scan. Includes free tools like stats, CDN, and social sharing. So we are going to install this plugin just like we installed Akismet Anti-Spam Spam Protection. We're going to click on the Install Now button and wait for the plugin to install. After the plugin has been installed, we are going to activate the plugin right from here. So we're going to click on this Activate button. And as soon as you activate the plugin, it's going to launch a setup wizard. Now, this is an initial standard setup for Jetpack. Many plugins have their own setup wizard, so whenever you install and activate those plugins, it's going to launch the setup wizard. This will help you set the plugin up for your site. So we are going to click on this button which says Supercharge My Site. And then it's going to bring us to this section. This will help us connect our WordPress.com account with Jetpack. So currently we are logged into our WordPress.com account and we can choose to connect this account, or we can use a different account if we want. Let's go ahead and connect this current account. We're going to click on this button and it's going to authorize our connection. Now, once our site is connected, it's going to process the detailed visitor stats in the cloud, so our site stays fast. It's also going to improve our site's performance and SEO automatically. It will also automatically share our site's posts on social media. So that's really convenient for us. And that's it. We are connected. It was so simple. We just connected our site with Jetpack with a few simple clicks. Now, as soon as it brings us back to our website, it's also going to show us some features. So here we can see it says it's simple yet powerful stats. In a few hours, you'll see detailed insights on who's visiting your site and where they're from. And you can see the data is setting up in the background. So if we click on the next button, we can also make our site super fast, which is very useful for our SEO. And we can manage our site wherever we go by using the Jetpack app. It's available for iOS or Android. We're just going to simply click on Done, and that's it. We have Jetpack installed on our site. And you can see that Jetpack has been added over here in the backend admin dashboard of our WordPress website. We can also see a new option called Stats over here. So Jetpack added some new options for us. There are many useful features of Jetpack, but we're not going to explore all of those in this video. Instead, we're going to install one more plugin. And for that, we're going to go to the plugin section and click on Add Plugin. The next plugin that we want to install is called WooCommerce. WooCommerce is one of the most popular e-commerce plugins for WordPress websites. If you want to create an e-commerce or online store using your WordPress website, you can trust WooCommerce. But one issue that we have right now is we are not seeing WooCommerce over here. So if that is the case, we can easily search for the plugin from this search bar. From here, we are going to write WooCommerce. After writing WooCommerce, it's going to automatically search for the plugin. And here it is, WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a popular plugin and it has a lot of extensions and other plugins which are built on top of WooCommerce. So you will see a lot of plugins such as integrated WooCommerce payments, Stripe payment gateway, PDF invoices and packing slips for WooCommerce, etc. But the main plugin that we are going to install is this one, WooCommerce, which has over 7 million active installations. It's compatible with our current version of WordPress, and you can see that it was updated 6 days ago. So we're simply going to click on this Install Now button and wait for the plugin to install. Alright, the plugin has been installed. Now let's activate it. Alright, WooCommerce has been installed and activated. As you can see, it added a few options. On the left-hand side, we can see WooCommerce, products, payments, analytics, and also marketing. Using WooCommerce, you can turn your WordPress website into an online store quite easily. Now, in the installed plugin section, this is where you can manage your plugins. You can activate or deactivate any plugins from here. You can also open up settings and other options from this section. For example, if I want to deactivate Akismet anti-spam, we can click on deactivate over here, and the plugin has been deactivated. Again, we can easily reactivate it just by clicking on this activate button. And again, it's activated and it's bringing us over here. Let's get back to the installed plugin section. And from here, we can also access settings. So for example, if we want to access these settings of WooCommerce, we can simply click on the settings over here. And it's bringing us to the WooCommerce settings section. So you can easily go to the settings of any plugins from this plugin section. Now let's say we want to delete a plugin. In order to do that, first you have to deactivate it. So let's deactivate this Akismet anti-spam plugin once again. And once it's deactivated, you can see the delete option is available. Now if we click on delete, it's going to ask us over here if we really want to delete the plugin. We can click on OK and the plugin will be deleted. So that is how you can easily install, activate, and delete your WordPress plugins. Now there's another way to add plugins. If you see over here, there's a button called Add Plugin. If we click on it, it's going to bring us to the WordPress plugin directory. Now we've already seen how you can install and activate plugins from here. But if you notice, over here there's a button labeled Upload Plugin. Yes, you can also upload a plugin through this method. If we click on this button, it extends this section. Now we have the option to choose a file from our computer, which will be uploaded to our WordPress site, and then we can install it right from here. Many paid plugin developers distribute their premium plugin through zipped file system. So when you purchase a plugin, you'll be able to download the zipped file, and then you can upload it through this method and install it. So that is how you can add and manage plugins in your WordPress website. Now there are thousands of plugins for WordPress, and you can install and experiment with each plugins to see their effect. So that's it for today's video. We hope that you found this video helpful, and if you want more content such as this one and learn more about WordPress, then subscribe to this channel and check out other videos in our channel. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.